students, today we will learn chemistry of class 12th. Chapter name is solutions. So let us start this chapter. Solution is made up of solute and solvent. Let us talk about concentration terms. Firstly, we will discuss about molarity, which is denoted by capital M. Molarity is equals to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in milliliter into 1000. Now we will find about the number of moles of solute. So here is the formula. Number of moles of solute is equals to given mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. We already know that given mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. We can find number of moles of solute. Here number of moles of solute are denoted by N2. Here N2 means 2 means solute, 1 means solvent. So formula will become N2 and given mass of solute is W2 and molar mass of solute is small m2. Okay. Now we will put this in molarity formula here. So formula will become capital M is equals to W2 upon M2 into 1000 upon volume of solution in milliliter. So units of molarity are capital M or mole inverse. Okay. Now let us talk about next, that is normality, which is denoted by capital N. So normality is equals to number of gram equivalents of solute upon volume of solution. So number of gram equivalent of solute, how we will find that? Here's the formula. Number of gram equivalent of solute is equals to gram given mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. Same here, because we are finding the number of moles, as here gram equivalent. So the formula will be same. Only difference is there. Here is the given mass of solute upon molar mass of solute into acidity, basicity and valency. Here difference is only this. Here we will multiply acidity, basicity and their valency. So what will be the formula became here? W2 upon molar mass of solute is what? Small m2 into acidity, basicity and valency. Now we will put this in normality formula. So our final formula of normality will become capital W2 upon M2 into acidity, basicity and valency upon volume of solution. Here we are putting this. We are putting this in place of number of gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution into 1000. Now unit of normality is capital N or gram equivalent liter inverse. Okay. Now let us talk about the relationship between normality and molarity. What is the relationship between normality and molarity? We can see here only the difference is of acidity, basicity and valency multiplication. So here normality is equals to molarity into acidity, basicity and valency. Now let us talk about the third one, that is molality, denoted by small m, which is equal to number of moles of solute upon given mass of solvent in grams into 1000. So what will be the formula now? Number of moles of solute, as we already find it here, number of moles of solute given mass of solute upon molar mass of solute, which is equal to W2 upon M2. Then here also W2 upon M2 into 1000 and upon given mass of solvent in grams. Okay, now unit is small m or mole kg inverse. Now for learning these three, we can write here that molarity is capital M is equals to W2 upon M2 into 1000 upon V, and normality is equals to W2 into 1000 into acidity, basicity and valency upon M2 into V, and molality is W2 upon M2 into 1000 upon W1. Now here is mole fraction, which is denoted by X. So if we will find about the mole fraction of a solution of B component, then we will write XB, and here is the NB upon total number of moles. NB upon total number of moles means here we are putting the number of moles of B. Here are the number of moles of B. And upon total number of moles means Na plus Nb plus Nc. Okay, then now we will find about the mass percentage, then mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. As we already know about the percentage formula, that here is the mass of solute upon mass of whole solution, which is consisting of solute and solvent. So it is total into 100. Okay. Now we will take an example. As if we find about the mass percent of 63%, then it will be 63 upon 100, means 63 is what here mass of solute, and 100 means the total one, which is the mass of solution. And volume by volume percent means volume of solute upon volume of solution. In mass of solute upon mass of solution. In volume percent, volume of solute upon volume of solution, and into 100 in both. So here we have already find that mass percentage and volume percentage. Okay students, I hope you will understand what I have taught to you. So thank you and have a nice day.